To get rid of aphids, hose down your infested plant every few days for 2 weeks, focusing on the undersides of the leaves. For a stubborn infestation, mix 3 teaspoons, 15 milliliters of liquid dish soap with 4 cups, 1 liter of water together. Combine all the ingredients in a spray bottle, then liberally spray the plants every few days for several weeks. You can also spray your plants with neem oil or insecticidal soap, which are both natural pesticides that will kill aphids. To prevent aphids from coming back, try introducing insects that prey on aphids to your garden, like ladybugs and green lacewings. You can also plant things that attract ladybugs in your garden, like geraniums, sunflowers, and parsley. Plants with strong smells can also help deter aphids, like onion, garlic, sage, and oregano.